Okay, a very good morning to all of you. Here we are with class 4 computer science. Okay, and once again welcome back to the session of online classes. And in the last couple of days you have completed your quarterly examination, and I hope that you have performed well in your computer exam and the paper was bit easier, and I hope that you will score a good marks. So now let's move with the syllabus. Forward with our syllabus for half yearly examination, and the chapters which we are going to discuss it here, and now which we will discuss is already been taught to you. Some of the students may have completed their notebooks and they have already learned the things because this chapter has been already taught to you. But as many of the students have joined just recently before the exam, so for them or you, I am going to teach the chapter once again. Okay, so we will start with chapter 4. Okay. We will start with the chapter 4, that is more on word processor. So as you have already studied about the different features of word processor. The word processor where you can prepare the document, edit the document, modify or make changes in the document according to us. Okay. So in order, some more features which are being discussed here in this chapter are like formatting. Okay, like formatting. So first of all, what is the meaning of formatting? The formatting means to make change in the appearance of the text. The formatting the text means to change the appearance of the text. Okay, suppose if you have prepared any Word document. Okay, you have prepared any Word document and you think that your document which you have prepared is not so much attractive or it is looking dull, so you can use the formatting features, use the different formatting features, and you can use the options which are available on the formatting command, and you can make your document more eye-catching. You can make your document more eye-catching, that is, you can make it more beautiful and which attracts the people or the user to go through the document or to read the document. Okay, so this is what it is known as formatting of the text. Next thing which you will study within this chapter is what are the different types of formatting. Okay, how the formatting of the text, what are the different types of formatting which can be applied on the text. Either you can change the font face, that is the font style, then you can change the font size of the font in your text, and then you can change the font color also. Other than that, you can make your document bold, italic and underline by changing the font style. Afterward, so we will study what is the uses of this and how does our document appear after applying these features, and what are the steps involved in applying this formatting feature. Other than that, what we will discuss in this chapter is how to change the text alignment. Okay, so what is the alignment? In the further, when we will discuss about text alignment, we will explain you what is the text alignment and what are the different types of alignment and how to change the text alignment. Other than that, we will discuss it about changing the text case. Changing the text case of the text which is been written within the document, like from uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase or toggle case. Okay, so many different options are there. In change case options are there available in Word. And other than that, we will discuss about paragraph spacing and the line spacing. The space between before and after a completion of the or starting of the paragraph, or the space between two different sentences or the lines. So we will learn about changing the paragraph spacing and the line spacing. Other than that, the last topic which we will discuss within this chapter is how to print a document. Okay, what are the major page setups, or what are the options available when you go to print the document, and the most important one, what is print preview. Okay, so now let's begin with what is formatting. In this particular session of the class, we will discuss about what is formatting, then types of formatting, what are the different types of formatting options available on the text. Then we will discuss about changing font face, font size and font color. And then the last topic of this particular video will be making text bold, italic and underline. Okay, so let's begin. Now, suppose we have, first of all you have to prepare a document and then you have to apply the following changes on the document itself. Okay, so let's start. So this session belongs to class 4 computer science, and name of the chapter 4 is more on word processor. So first of all, let's start. What is formatting? The formatting means to change the appearance of the text. The formatting means to change the appearance of the text, and when the formatting is applied on the text to enhance its look and to make it eye-catching. Okay, we generally apply formatting feature on the text to make our text, or to look, to enhance, or to make our text eye-catching, beautiful, and to catch the attention of the people. Okay, the next thing, the types of formatting on the text. The different types of the formatting options over the text is changing the font face, size and color. Changing the font face, size and color. Next is change the font style. To change the font style. So first of all, the first thing which we will learn is how to change the font face, size and color, and what are the different steps involved in. So first of all, the first thing what you have to do is just copy the text or the document. Select the text or the document on which you want to apply the formatting. Okay, first of all you have to select the text. Okay, so after selecting the text, suppose I have selected this particular text. I hope that all of you know how to select the text. What you can do in order to select the text is just click on the starting of the text and hold the left button of your mouse. Hold the left button of your mouse and drag your mouse, and as you reach to the end, just release the mouse button. Just release the mouse button. Okay, so this is how you can select the text. Okay, now suppose I have selected this particular text. Now the first thing what I want to do is changing the font face, size and color. So the first step is to select the text which is to be formatted. Okay, now we have completed the first step. Second step, click on the home tab. As on the ribbon you can click on the home tab, and as you click on the home tab, you can see you will get the option font group. You will get the option font group. So within the font group, you can see here some the first drop down menu, it is used to change the font face. It is used to change the font face. So the font face drop down box, what is the use of this particular box? It holds a list of various font styles. Okay, so whenever you click on this particular arrow, or you can use the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus F. Control plus Shift plus F. So as you click on this particular arrow, it will display you the drop down menu. And from here you can select any font style which you want to apply on your document. You can use any formatting style or any font face which you want to apply on your document. So as you have seen, you can see here, we have changed the font face for this particular paragraph which you have selected. Okay, suppose you do not like that one, on this arrow you can click it here and you can get a different number of options. Like you can get the different font styles. So this is how you can change the font face of your document. You can change the font face of your text which is being used in your document. Okay, I hope that you have understood. And the shortcut to change the font face is Control plus Shift plus F. Control plus Shift plus F. Okay, clear? Now the next thing which we are going to learn is changing the font size. So the font size generally means to change the size of the text. The current size which we are using on our document, the current font size of our document, all you have to follow the same step. Go to the Home tab and within the font group, now you can see the second drop down menu. That is for font size. And the shortcut key to change the font size is Control plus Shift plus P. Control plus Shift plus P. Okay. So what you have to do? First of all, select the text. Like suppose I have selected this particular text. Now take example that I have selected this particular text and then I click on the Home tab and go to the font group and then go to the font size drop down menu, the font size drop down box, and it contains the various size for the text. It will display you the different sizes for the text, and generally starting from 8. Or if you want to generally the font size start from 8 and goes up to 72. The font size especially starts from, so this is the font size of 8. Okay, and if you go for the maximum, this is the maximum size. That is the font size of 72. Okay, and now as soon as I goes on changing, now you can see the size of the font goes on decreasing. And from here you can select appropriate size for your text. You can select the appropriate size for your text and you can apply it on your document. So So this is how you can change the font size of the text within your document itself. Clear? I hope that you have understood how to change the font face and font size. The next thing which you want to learn is changing the font color. Changing the color of the text which has been written within the document. So by default the font color within the Word document is black. By default the font color for the document within the Word document is black. But if you want or you want to make any changes, then you can change it itself. Like suppose I have just written this definition of formatting. I have written this definition of the formatting, and this was my. So I want to change the color of this document, this part. I want to change the font color for the definition part itself. So the first thing which you have to do is the first step is to select the text which is to be formatted. Okay, so I have selected the text. Go to the Home tab. Go to the Home tab, and there you will get the option Font Color. There you will get the option Font Color. The font color option is there. You can see the symbol is a capital A is written there. A capital A is written there, and you can use it. As soon as you click on the arrow just to the option, you can see the different theme colors has been displayed. The different colors will be displayed, and from there you can choose any particular color of your choice. You can choose any one color of your choice. Okay, and you can apply it to your document. You can apply it to your document itself. Okay, or if you want to use more color, so there are different options: the theme color, standard colors, and then there is a third option that is called more colors. So this is how the more color option is there, and you can choose any shade of the color from here, and you can click on OK, and it will be applied for you. So now you can see. I hope that mostly it is not the change in the color is not visible to you. Change in the color is not visible to you due to the brightness of the projector and the camera. Due to the brightness of the projector and the camera, but we have changed the font color for the selected paragraph. We have changed the font color for the selected paragraph. Now again, if I want to make some changes, I hope that you can see from here. It will be visible to you the different font color applied to the document. Okay, so this is how we can change. So we have learned the three things: how to change the font face, font size, and the font color. We have learned about how to change the font face, size, and the color. The next thing which we will learn in this particular session is how to make the text bold, italic, and underline. How to make the text bold, italic, and underline. So apart from changing the font face, size, and color of the text, we can also make them bold, italic, and underline formatting feature. Okay, once you have selected, click on the home tab. Click on the home tab, and within the font group itself, you can see the option bold. It is written there B, I, and U. You will get the options are there. It is written in capital B, capital I, and capital U. So B stands for bold, I stands for italic, and U stands for underline. And the shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. The shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. So after selecting the text, click on the home tab, go to the font group, and from there select the bold option. Or the another method you can use is that after just selecting the text, you can use your keyboard and press the shortcut key Ctrl plus B. You can use your keyboard and you can press the shortcut key Ctrl plus B. And now you can see the particular text which we have selected has been marked as bold. It has been marked as bold. Okay? Like suppose here we have written class 4 computer science. You have to make it bold. So we have made it bold. Okay? Another feature is making them italic. The italic button. The italic. So the three options, bold, italic, and underline. The bold option, this increases the thickness of selected text and make it dark. When you apply the bold feature on any text, it simply increase the thickness of selected text and make it dark. Whereas if you choose the italic option, it tilts the selected text. Like suppose I have selected this particular text, and go to the home tab, and from there you press on option I. So you can see the change that each and every character or alphabet, or even the complete sentence appears that the text are being tilted towards the right side. Okay, and the third option is using the underline. The third option is using the underline feature, and for this what you can do, first of all select the text and you click on underline option. Or you can just use the shortcut key Ctrl plus U. You can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus U from your keyboard, and the underline feature will be applied to your selected text. So we have selected this particular text and we have used the underline option. So now you can see this particular text has been underlined. Now in order to just go back to the, if you want to remove this formatting features. Now if you want to remove this formatting features, what you have to do? Select the particular text and just click on the particular options, and the text, the formatting to that particular text will be removed. Okay, so now we have just underlined the particular statement or the sentence which we have selected. So this is how we come to the end of this session, and in in this session of the online class series, you have learned how to change the font face, font size, font color, and how to apply the formatting options like bold, italic, and underline to your document. Okay, as when we will come back with the next session, there we will discuss about how to change the alignment of the text, then how to change the text, change case of the text, and paragraph spacing, line spacing, printing options. Okay, so till that time, thank you and have a nice day.